Hi everyone, welcome back to JavaTCoding. My name is Sanjay Kumar and today I am going to show you how to set up Angular in IntelliJ IDEA on your MacBook. So whether you are a beginner or you are looking for a streamline your project process, first of all what we will do, firstly we will install the Node.js and npm, which are essentially for the Angular development. It is a must to start the Angular development. What we need to install, firstly we need to install the Node.js and npm, and then after that we will install the Angular CLI. It will create a Angular project. For Angular project we need to create Angular project. For that we need the Angular CLI, so that we after that we will install the Angular CLI, and then finally we will set up the first project in IntelliJ IDEA. So let's get started. So firstly we will install the Node.js. So let me open the terminal. Let me on the terminal first. Terminal, okay. So step one, we need to install the Node.js and npm. So for that we need to run so in the MacBook I am going to show you in the npm Node.js or npm installation via the brew homebrew. So for that we need to execute this brew install node and then click enter. So now it is the installation is started. So once this is done, and then verify the installation by checking the version. So the download is successfully completed. We can verify by using the command node -v. So here it will give the node or npm detail, means the node is installed successfully. Let's check the npm -1 by executing this command. So the node version is 24.3.0 and the npm version is 11.4.2. okay, so the first step is completed. It means the Node.js and the npm installation is done. We have already verified. The next step will be so let's move on to installing the Angular CLI. So for that we need to execute. Let me clear this console first. Okay, so to install the Angular CLI, for that we need to execute the command npm install -g @angular /CLI. To install the Angular CLI, for that we need to execute this command npm install -g @angular /CLI. Let's press enter. So verify this command. After the installation done, we will verify. So the package is added, the installation is done, the package is 253 package is added, and 49 packages are looking for the finding. Okay, so the installation is done. Let's verify by using the ng version. So now we can see the Angular CLI installation is done. Angular CLI version is 20.0.5, node version 24.3.0, package manager npm version is 11.4.2. so the required Node.js, npm and the Angular CLI installation is completed. So let's create a new Angular project. So let me open the terminal. Okay, and so I'm going to create a new directory inside the documents. uh, in that directory I will create the new Angular project. So cd documents. Inside the document I will create a new directory mkdir. For that, to make a new directory, for that we need to use this command, and Angular projects. I will create this directory. So directory is created. We will go inside this. Okay, now we will, to create the Angular project, for that we will execute this command ng new and my Angular app. So you can give any name. I just give the my Angular app -app. So you can give any name, there is no issue. So the initial command is ng new. This command we need to, and then enter. And it is asking for the enabling the compiler to modify the configuration. Yes. And now it's asking to detail. Would you like to share the? Okay, it's fine. There is no issue. And do you want to create the zone-less application without zone s? And now it's asking for styling format, which styling format we are going to use. So it is already selected CSS. I'm going to use CSS. And do you want to enable server side rendering, SSR, and static site generation? So I will press yes for now. So the here, as we can see, the create my application Angular app, it is creation is started, installing the package, npm required dependency. So once the once the Angular app is will be created, then we will setting up this into the IntelliJ. So the package installed successfully. It is initialized by the git. Okay, now let me open the IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, so in the IntelliJ IDEA, if you did not set up the IntelliJ till now, for that I already prepared the video, so you can watch it from there. I will provide the link in the description. Open now the project. It is in documents, Angular projects, and inside the Angular, here we can see my Angular. Okay, no, we are not. The JDK is already configured 24. For now, we are not going to change. And for the IntelliJ, to the project, the Angular is already open. And now to make sure the Node.js plugin is installed in your IntelliJ, so let's go to IntelliJ IDEA. For the settings, let's verify the plugin, and here the plugin section, marketplace. Here you need to verify the Node.js is already ticked. It means install. It is already installed, so no need to install it again. Okay, and the next, what we need to do to run the Angular application, we need to open the terminal. In the terminal, go to the project, the my Angular app. It is asking aloud. Okay, now we need to execute the ng serve to run the Angular application. So now ng serve, let's enter. It's building the project, and initial chunk. Okay, it's building. press enter, and the perfect deployment, the server prerequisite transformation, and the local. Let's open to check. Yes, so the Angular, my hello my Angular app, congratulations, your app is running. So now we have done all the steps to set up the Angular application in the IntelliJ IDEA by using the IntelliJ IDEA, and these are the default UI which is provided by the Angular. So we will customize as per our needs. Okay, so that's it from this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. Till then, thanks. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.